back to 10 and 2. Guess who's back? Bruce the McLaren. Fresh from body shop jail. Over at Rick's Old Time Garage. Make sure you check out his channel. I did a great job putting these headlight buckets in. And cut some holes down at the bottom there for some brake cooling. I'll have to plumb all that up. Now it's on the hoist. And now it's time to put in some headlights and driving lights, and also take out these janky trailer light signal hazard things that I put in there to replace the very strange fiberglass pods that were in there that were all broken and corroded and full of dust and whatever. That's all going away. This is going away. Gonna put some sort of scoopy thing in there, and then I'm gonna print some 3D print some ducts to go in there to hook up to some hose to blow some air on some brakes. Not that this is really, going to be setting the world on fire with its braking performance, but, why not look the part? So first I'm going to tape up this bottom one, find the center. I'm going to put the trim ring on first, because that's how we're going to mount this lower one, because the brain fart. The adjuster bracket that we got doesn't fit in this space. I'd have to countersink holes in there for the adjusters and down at the bottom, and it would just be big and ugly and just ugly, really ugly. So we're just going to mount these bottom ones, which are just going to be the yellow lights. You may have saw that in the previous clip when the car was over there. And I'm just going to flush mount them right up against here. I'm going to cut a big old hole here to get them recessed back in there. And I'm going to put you on time lapse.
I just can't run. My obsession.
All right, well, I've got the lower holes cut out now. They still need a little more fitment. I got the notch cut to locate the light in the right spot on that one. I had to cut the notch on that one, and then it needs some more sanding around the edge to get them to sit nice and flush in there. I'm going to go ahead and take these janky trailer lights out of here, move the wires up in behind here, because we're going to be running these ones down here as the signal, and the parking light, and I got to cut the holes for the top and mount the adjusters and go back on time lapse and watch me do that.
We laugh through the pain, we cry to the stars. We don't understand why we need each other's arms. She cuts me up like a knife, but it feels like fun. She scares me in my dreams, I just can't run.
they're mounted. I haven't lined them up yet, but they do work. I'll show you. Some headlights. Oh, that's the high beams. Some headlights. Some parking lights. Or we can do the hazard lights. Signals. With parking lights. Look at that. I did something and it works. It's amazing. I just need to get the covers fit on there, but I don't have the tool to do that quite yet. Okay, it's time to cut the headlight covers. Look what I got. A jigsaw. Now I can cut them and hopefully not break them into a billion tiny pieces. As you can see, they fit on here like so. And they don't fit very well at all. I have to take a whole bunch off the top, a little bit off the side, and at least I can kind of line this side up and the bottom up to kind of get started. And I think before we get too crazy, I'm just going to tape the whole thing so I don't scratch it accidentally. Well, not the whole thing. Almost the whole thing. Because I need to be able to see through and find my contour line to, you know, to trim against, to know how much to take off. To be very honest with you, I am frightened. Terrified, even, to do this. This is acrylic, and I've never cut acrylic before. It's not glass, so that's nice, because I also haven't cut glass. And I know that that's very hard, but this hopefully should be somewhat easy enough. And I guess I'll just shut up and actually do something then.
Oh, my obsession. When I come undone, you can ease the pain. In our darkest hour, we should meet again.
There you have it. One headlight cover, two headlight covers, done. And I think that's it for this episode. I don't have anything left to do to this car except for drive it, but it's pouring rain. It's been pouring rain for 5 days now. So hopefully sometime in the future we can get some shots of this driving into a sunset. And that'll be really nice. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the other beep boop stuff that you can do out there on the internet. Share it with your friends. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.